Let's take a look at this example. Again, we're supposed to add binary coded decimal numbers. So what we're supposed to do right now, we're supposed to rewrite this problem, and I have 0, 1, 1, 1, and I have 0, 0, 1, 0, and I have 0, 0, 1, 0, and I have 1, 0, 0, 1. I'm supposed to add these two numbers. Now, please notice that this is 72 and this number is 29. Add them up. 2 plus 9 is equal 11. Carry of 1. 1 plus 7 is 8. 8 plus 2 is equal 10. 72 plus 29 is 101. Let's take a look what we are going to get over here. We have 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. 0 plus 0 is 0. And I have 0 plus 1 is equal 1. Please notice that these 4 bits represent the decimal digit. These 4 bits also represents the decimal digit. So my answer, these 4 bits, supposed to also represent the decimal digit. But the decimal digit, the greatest one, is 9. This is binary 11. So we get value greater than 9. Anytime you get value greater than 9, you're supposed to add 6 to it. So I'm going to have 0, 1, 1, 0. And before you are going to continue with your addition, you're supposed to fix the situation with this value, which is greater than 9. So if 1 plus 0 is equal 1, 1 plus 1 is equal 2, carry of 1, 1 plus 1 is 2, and carry of 1, 1 plus 1 is 2, 0, and carry of 1. This carry of 1 will go over here. 1 plus 1 is 2, write 0 and carry of 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3 and carry of 1. 1 plus 1 is 2 and carry of 1. 1 plus 0 is equal 1. Let's take a look at this value. We have 7 plus 2 plus carry of 1 from this part of my problem, and I end up with 10. 10 is greater than 9. We said that 4 bits supposed to represent decimal digit. This is binary 10. So in order to fix the situation, we're supposed to simply add 6 to it. So I have 0, 1, 1, 0 plus. I have 0 plus 0 is 0. 1 plus 1 is 2 and carry of 1. 1 plus 1 is 2 and carry of 1. 1 plus 1 is 2 and carry of 1. This one comes down. Keep in mind that we're supposed to have 4 bits. So if I'm missing bits, I'm supposed to fill up the empty spaces by zeros. So I end up with 0, 0, 0, 1, and I have 0, 0, 0, 0, and I have 0, 0, 0, 1. This is 1, 0, 1. Other words, 72 plus 29 is equal 101. This is the solution to my problem.